Hakke, vakke, ikke, hvorfor. Those are quite common terms or slang words you use in Norwegian language. So, for example, you can say Jeg var ikke på skolen i dag. Jeg var ikke på skolen i dag. This is actually how you say it. Jeg var ikke på skolen i dag. So, jeg var ikke på skolen i dag. Jeg var ikke på skolen i dag. Another one is jeg har ikke penger. Or jeg har ikke penger. It's another one. So, also, ikke. So you can say jeg ikke pappa. Jeg ikke pappa. I'm not the dad. So, lastly, you can say hvorfor. Hvorfor skal jeg hjelpe mora mi? Hvorfor skal jeg hjelpe mora mi? Why am I helping my mom? It's another example. So those are just kind of common slang words I wanted to tell you. So, vi ses inne. I see you inside. Vi ses. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just gonna start with the next word is fokke, which basically is får ikke, or cannot get. So you can say jeg får ikke penger av mamma. I cannot get money from mom, or jeg får ikke penger fra mamma. Then another one is kan ikke. Jeg kan ikke gjøre det. Jeg kan ikke gjøre det. I cannot do this. So that is another one. It's just we're fusing together kan and ikke and becomes kan ikke. So that's what's happening. Another one is Grandis. This is actually a nickname for Grandiosa, which is a very famous frozen pizza in Norway. So we actually say, for example, slenger du inn Grandisen i ovnen? Can you, or in bokmål, slenger du Grandiosa-pizzaen inn i stekeovnen? Or can you throw the Grandiosa pizza right in the oven? You know, like that. Ræva. Ræva means butt-like. Ræv means butt, and ræva means just bad. So you can say, denne filmen var ræva. This movie was horrible. And then we have konge. Konge is, of course, the king of Norway, who is very famous and awesome, as you know. You can also say, du konge. You're the best. It's quite common, actually. Kis. Kis is just saying a guy on the street. So you can say, hvem han kisen der borte? Who is that guy over there? And then you have tryne. Tryne is a very rude way of saying face. So you can say, få vekk trynet ditt means get away your face. Or jeg liker ikke trynet ditt. I don't like your face. And this is a direct insult, so I would avoid saying this ever, really. Okay, type. Type means boyfriend for women. So if a guy asks a girl, hey, har du type? Means, hi, do you have a boyfriend? And then she said, yes. Then you're rejected. Anyways, kjerring. Kjerring is a very rude way of saying woman, so don't say this to anyone, really. But, I mean, it's kind of like saying B word, but I wouldn't say that it's a very bad thing. It's just kind of like saying, jeg liker ikke den kjerringa. I don't like that horrible woman. Like that. I hope that made sense. Mekke. Mekke is a very easy and very flexible way of saying making. So you can say, jeg mekker taco. I am making tacos. Or, jeg mekker på bilen. I am screwing or fixing on the car. And then dritings. Dritings means completely wasted. And as you might know, is that jeg full. That means I am drunk. It does not mean that I'm full. So think about that. And if I say jeg full, oh, then another guy can say jeg dritings. Woo. Over my head, dritings. Then you're completely wasted. Okay, digg. Digg, we use this for everything, really. So you say, denne pizzaen digg. This pizza is awesome or really good. You can also say, jeg digger å spille dataspill. I dig to play video games or computer games. Okay, that's it. Takk for at du så på. Thank you for watching. Of course, if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe button, hit the like, and of course, you know what's coming up is my book. Bam! And my online course. Boom! Right there. Check it out. It's awesome. Soon a new course is actually coming up, so check that one out as well. I will see you later. Vi snakkes senere. Ha det.